Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer using WhatsApp Web. This lets you send messages, share files, and chat from your PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Now grab your phone and open WhatsApp. On iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Linked Devices. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right. Then select Linked Devices. Next, tap on Link a device. Your camera will open. Now scan the QR code on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp account will instantly sync with your computer. Now you'll see all your chats on the left side. You can click on any conversation, type messages using your keyboard, send emojis, stickers, and even upload files from your computer. Everything stays synced with your phone in real time. If you want even more features like calling, you can also download the WhatsApp desktop app instead of using the browser, and that's it.